Hi, this is Mrs. Hasmer, and today's mini lesson is on adding, subtracting fractions. Okay, so the rules are if it has the same denominator for both, then you just keep that denominator and then you would add or subtract the top. So 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4, okay? If you have the same denominator for subtraction, same thing. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and then keep the 4. Now, I cannot leave this as is. I need to reduce it because these are both even numbers, and I know 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. Okay, so if they have different denominators, you must find a common denominator, okay? And I used to always tell the students, to skip count. So if I have 1/4 plus 1/3, and I would just say take the denominator 4 and just skip count 3 or 4 times. So you have 4, 8, 12. Okay, and then I'm going to take the denominator 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so 12 is going to be our common denominator. If you get stuck, you can always multiply the two numbers together to find a common denominator. Okay? But sometimes those become really big numbers. Anyways, okay, so what am I gonna multiply 4 by to get 12? So 4 times 3 will give me 12. So I need to also, if I multiply the denominator by 3, I need to multiply the numerator by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. So this 1/4 is now 3 over 12. So what can I multiply 3 by to get 12? I'd have to multiply it by 4. So if I multiply the denominator by 4, I need to multiply the numerator by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. And then you should rewrite the problem with the new denominator. So you have 3 over 12, right? Plus 4 over 12, which will equal 7 over 12. Okay, let's do it for subtraction. Same thing, you have 10 over 15 minus 2 over 30. I cannot do that unless I have the same denominator. So let's skip count with 15. 15, 30. Okay, there it is. Common denominator is 30. So this one, you're lucky. You don't have to do anything with this guy. So you're going to just work with this one. So 10 over 15. What am I going to multiply 15 by to get 30? If you look over here, 1, 2, so it'd be 2. 2 times 15 equals 30. If I multiply the denominator by 2, I also need to multiply the numerator by 2. And 2 times 10 is 20. So now 10 over 15 has become 20 over 30. Okay? Now, rewrite the problems. So I have 20 over 30 minus 2 over 30, which will equal 18 over 30. And then, those are both even numbers, so I know for sure that 2 goes into both of these, so let's divide both by 2. 2 goes into 18 9 times, okay, and 2 goes into 30 15 times. I did not take the highest numbers, so I'm going to rewrite this over here. 9 over 15. I know that 3 goes into both those numbers. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. Okay? So I should have done 6 here instead. So if you ever have the wrong, you don't have the biggest number that goes into both, you always look at your answer because you might have to reduce it further. Okay? All right, thank you.